of office was administered on the new commissioners, head of service, permanent secretaries, and Commissioner 2 of the Civil Service Commission by the State Chief Judge, Justice Philibus Andetru, and supervised by the State Governor, Architect Darius Dixie Ishaku.
I do solemnly swear that I will be faithful do solemnly swear that as head of service in the service of Taraba State of Nigeria, I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Do solemnly swear that as in the service of Taraba State of Nigeria, I, Julius Tarubitago, do solemnly swear that as Commissioner 2 CSC.
In his remarks, the State Governor, Architect Darius Dixie Ishaku, who congratulated the new members of the State Executive Council for being chosen among many Tarabans to serve as commissioner, head of service, and permanent secretaries, also commended the members of the State House of Assembly for carrying out their assignment with due diligence in a record time.
I commend the peaceful, orderly, and matured manner the Honorable House recently effected changes in the leadership of the Taraba State House of Assembly. And I wish you a very cordial relationship within yourselves. I assure you that the positive synergy between the executive and the legislature arms in the state will be sustained and maintained. We shall also continue to respect the sanctity of separation of powers as enshrined in the statute books in order to strengthen our democracy. Let me also quickly add and thank the judiciary for the very cordial relationship that we have been having within the executive and then since I resumed the mantle of leadership in 2015 to date. The commissioners designated have been selected after carefully taking into consideration the unique socio-political needs of the state, so that every individual groups or communities do not feel alienated in the distribution of political positions. The appointees owe their appointment to God, and therefore their allegiance to God, to the government, and the people of Taraba State.
Governor Darius Dixie Ishaku said the state is blessed with numerous qualified and suitable personalities that deserve political appointments, but due to constitutional limitation as well as financial constraints, the cabinet has been carefully scaled down given the economic reality of the country.
Invited guests, it will be virtually impossible to appoint all the persons that are given their time and resources towards the success of this administration. Let me, however, assure all our party faithful and associates that we shall carry them along as there are still more political appointments that will be made soon. And to the new commissioners in the State Executive Council, the challenges before you are enormous. Taraba State is blessed with abundant human and natural resources that require pragmatic approach, sacrifice, and selfless service to effectively utilize these endowments for the benefit of the generality of the society.
The governor discouraged the scenario where public mounts due pressure on public office holders by making impossible demands, which often distract them from their official functions.
As commissioners, you must endeavor to live above board. You are now in the public view. There is no privacy as your activities will be daily scrutinized by the praying eyes of the public, especially the now most hated social media, which has become a big nuisance that watches over everybody, either nicely or particularly badly. They report all kinds of rubbish in the Facebook, in the social media, and such. I will advise you, those of you who were conducting your activities freely, that now you have changed to your legs. To the new head of service, a lady of substance, a woman that targets and gets the target. I am sure you and the permanent secretaries, you must uphold the sanctity of the oath you have just taken. The success of the laudable programs of rescue mission rests squarely, and I repeat, squarely on your shoulders. Being the technocrats, your appointments are based on merit, therefore, you are expected to give advice, guide and direct your respective ministries, boards, and agencies on the path of growth.
Well assured Tarabans that his administration remains focused in the desire to provide dividends of democracy to all villages, towns, and cities. He also warned all the appointees that their office are not for personal aggrandizement, but should be appreciated as a call to serve. In their vote of thanks, Barrister Yusuf Nya Akirikwe and the head of service, Ms. Susie Jemima Nathan, who spoke on behalf of the commissioners and the permanent secretaries, thanked the state governor for the confidence reposed in them and promised to be loyal and obedient in the discharge of their respective assignments.
We have taken an oath, and in the oath we have sworn that we will be reliable, we will be dependable, we will be earnest, and we will serve the people of Taraba State, and we will serve you faithfully in this government.
Your Excellency, with deep sense of humility, I wish to, on behalf of the new cabinet secretaries, thank you very much for the confidence reposed in us to serve as head of service and permanent secretaries respectively. I want to assure you of our unflinching support and cooperation as we steer the state to greater heights. Once more, let me thank you very much, and God bless you, God bless us, and God bless Taraba.
It could be recalled that the name of the commissioner nominees were forwarded to the State House of Assembly and subsequently screened based on the constitutional provision. Solomon Bauru, TV Taraba News.